Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. This video, I'm going to be going over 5 things that most people don't know that you can do with ChatGPT so that you can generate money online and create products for yourself. All right, so we're going to get right into it. So the first thing, if you are new to ChatGPT is an AI platform that you can give it prompts and it can do a multitude of tasks for you. If you think that it's just for writing essays or answering questions, think again. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to make money. So let's get right into it. So the first way that you can use ChatGPT is by creating custom games or activities. So ChatGPT can build interactive games, kid activities, puzzles, scavenger hunts, quizzes, birthday party, activities, anything that you want. So we're going to go ahead and show you that. So you can create a custom game activity. So for example, let's tell ChatGPT to create a um, kids puzzle about dinosaurs for kids ages 2 to 5. Want to be as specific as possible. Make this a digital puzzle that can be printed. And then we're going to go ahead and see what it generates. So it does take a little bit longer with ChatGPT than other platforms, but I will say that it has great quality when it does produce. And the good thing is, if it makes a mistake, you can tell them to update it. Okay, so we're back with the results, and this is the nice, cute dinosaur puzzle that they created. So you could go ahead and hit save as an image, and you could put this in Canva. You can remove the background on this, and you can also create your mock-up for your Etsy listing with this picture. Um, or you can tell them to help create you an image for the listing. If you wanted these to be into individual pieces, you can go ahead and type that here and tell them to put this in individual pieces or put some space in between them. But the person should be able to cut these pieces up. But if you want to make it easier, you can have this as the full image of what it's going to look like and tell ChatGPT to put these in individual pieces. So we're going to go on to the next thing that you can do with ChatGPT is so number 2, we're going to talk about transforming image into designs. So you can actually upload images to ChatGPT and you can tell it to recreate it. You can tell it to fix a problem, to maybe remove something off of it, or to turn it into a printable. So we're going to go ahead and show you how you can do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and give it instructions. I'm going to say to change the mug in this picture to green. And then we're going to copy the picture here, and we gave the instructions. So you can also upload and alter images, and we're going to say change the mug in this picture to green right here, and then we're going to come back when the result is ready. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, they went ahead and changed the mug to green from red, and you can use this for yourself to alter any type of image or to recreate any image that you put in here. So we're going to go into the next way that you can use ChatGPT, which is with your business. If you are a business owner, if you are an Etsy seller, if you sell on if you do print on demand or anything like that, you can utilize ChatGPT for your business to create email sequences, text for your website, marketing strategies, all of that. So all you have to do is go ahead and type it in. For example, you can give it as write in SEO. I like to put that because that stands for search engine optimization, which is about finding the right keyword. So write an SEO, Etsy title and description for a digital planner for busy moms. Include tags. So we're going to let it write that. And like I said, you can use this. So you have this, and you can switch it up as well, but it has digital planner for busy moms, mom life planner, iPad. It has all these different keywords. It also makes sure that we have the keywords flowing nicely in the paragraph. You have a full details of what's included. Of course, you could edit this, who it's perfect for, how to use it, the key features, and then these are the tags that you're going to go ahead and paste into the tag section of your listing. If it's too long, you can put it under the materials section. And yeah, so this is what you can use it for. It also says, would you also like to create Etsy images or thumbnail text or mock-up ideas for the planner? So there's so many different things that you can do. If you're building a list, you can say, write 3 emails for new followers centered around busy moms and ways to save time. So when people sign up, you can start sending them emails about different tips or resources that they can use, that moms can use. And then when you have new products on your Etsy shop, you can also email them as well. So it's important to be collecting the emails when you get orders coming in so you can build out that list. And as you can see here, it has some emails for you, for moms to save time. Use a single planner for everything. So this is how you can promote your planner also. This is a weekly meal system, the Sunday setup, and you can ask it to expand or reduce if it has too much. But as you can see here, it's created 3 emails that you can send out. If you're creating a website, you can ask, please create SEO text for my website for busy moms. So there's the endless amount of things that you can do when it comes to your business. This is like a virtual assistant that has all these resources and connections to the internet that you can use for your business. So as you can see here, when you're creating your website, you can have different sections, and they have already structured it out, and you can tell it to add on to, maybe this sparks a different idea. So has been the third way that you can use it, which is by elevating your business by saving time. And so we're going to go into the next one. The next way to use ChatGPT is to write and plan an entire animated video. So ChatGPT can create full scene by scene animated videos, scripts with character descriptions, background designs, narration, camera movements, and all of that. So you can ask it to create this for you, and then you can go into Canva and edit this as well. So we can go ahead and say, create a full scene by scene animated video script with character descriptions, narration, camera movements, sound suggestions for a video about self-care for women. That might not be the best topic for that, but you can fill it in with anything else that you wanted to fill it in. So they give you a style, they give you the length, they give you the characters, their narrator information. We have the scene by scene, the overwhelm start, pause and breathe, morning ritual, nurturing the body. So we have all the scenes. It's still creating as I speak. And any AI tool that allows you, which you could probably ask it to create it in here too. I'm not sure if that is with the free account or with a paid service, but you could probably tell them to create the scene for you as well directly in here. You could also give this whole description and paste it into uh, Canva AI and have it to create a video clip and give this whole information that we just got from ChatGPT. So this is one way, or you can see if it will let you recreate it directly in here based on your account. So we're going to go into the final way that you can use ChatGPT to save time and to make money, and that is analyzing files such as PDF files, any documents that you have that maybe that's too overwhelming for you to understand, or you just need to save time to be able to summarize it. So we're going to go into that right now. So you also can do screenshots, any type of things. And so I'm going to go find a file that I can upload and show you guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and upload a file here. I'm just going to upload an image, and I'm going to tell it to take the text from the image. Please provide me with the text from this image. Maybe you need this for it to make a caption on social media, or you just need the information on this image. So we're going to go ahead and put that in text form so that you can put it in another place. And as you can see here, it grabbed all of the text from that image. And now I can copy this and use this if I needed to put this somewhere. If we upload a PDF file, I'm going to try to find a PDF file. So I uploaded a PDF file, and we're going to tell it to summarize what is in the PDF file. So let's say that you have like a 20-page document and you need to analyze it, summarize it. So this is a summary of what is in the PDF file, and it quickly gave it to you, and now you can be able to review it and understand it fully. So this has been the 5 ways that maybe you didn't know that you can use ChatGPT to save time or make money online. And I hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss a video, and comment down below what type of videos you want me to make next. I appreciate everybody that watches and subscribes. I do see in the back end that 86% of you guys are watching and not subscribing. So I appreciate if you do see value in my videos that you go ahead and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.